control and coordination. So all the living organism, what do? What you see, they respond, right, to any changes that is available in our environment, right, around us. Then,
Good evening, ma'am.
yeah, good evening, Shazan. Have you done your PPT?
Ma'am, I cannot do it.
You cannot do it. So many days, right?
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, the problem is my computer is broken and on phone, ma'am, I'm facing problem. I have some limitations on my voice, and that is why I cannot.
Okay. I'm starting new chapter, that is control and coordination.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Ria.
Ma'am, can I present my PPT tomorrow?
Okay, yes. No. Tomorrow we have test. Yeah, today is 23rd, right? Tomorrow you guys have test. Okay, so prepare well.
Okay.
Next Monday, no, Tuesday, you can present. Okay. No excuses.
Okay.
Shazan, you too. Till that, get your computer repaired. Okay. Now let's see. So the changes in the environment, right, to which the organism recognize, right, respond, that is called what? Stimuli. Okay. Stimuli. What stimuli? So the changes in the environment to which the organism respond. And then they respond and then react. What are that called? That changes are called stimuli. Okay. Now, what are the responses organism do? Respond. Which stimuli they respond? The stimuli, what can they be? The changes. It could be light. It could be heat. It could be cold. Sound. Smell. Taste. Touch. Right. Etc. All these things are stimuli. Okay. How do the organism respond? There would be some movement of the body, right? Now here you can see in this example, right? This cook is touching that hot cooker. What he will do? He will remove his hand, pull away his hand, right? So here, what is the stimuli? What is the stimuli due to which this guy is responding like that?
Touch.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, is it touch?
He is touching hot cooker.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, he's touching hot cooker. So what is the stimuli? Heat. Okay. Next, what about this lion is getting bitten by this cub, and this lion is roaring. What is the stimulus in this case? What is the change? Yes, tell me. Shazan.
Can you explain once more?
Once more.
Yes, ma'am.
So all living organism, what do? They respond and they react to changes in the environment. And these changes, right, it is called stimuli.
Okay.
Okay. Now, the stimuli, they are such as light, heat, cold. Okay. And the response of the organism or to the stimulus, how it will be? It will be in the form of some kind of movement. Okay. Of body parts. So here we had this cook, right? He was this cooker was hot, okay, and he put his hand there. What will be the response? The response was that he took away his hand. Okay, he pulled away his hand. Why did he pull away?
Because
There was some stimulus, right? What was the stimulus?
Ma'am, heat.
Yes, heat. In this case, right, here this cub is biting this lion, and this lion is roaring, right? What is the stimulus in this case?
Ma'am, touch.
Yes, pain. Okay, pain. Because of pain only it is roaring. Okay, you can say touch also, but the thing is, the main important point here, stimulus is pain. Okay. What kind of touch? It is pain.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this girl here, what she's doing in the bright light, she's closing her eyes. Here, what is the stimuli?
Ma'am, light.
Yes. Yes. Correct. Light.
Ma'am, how can light be similar?
Because suddenly there is bright light, she's closing her eyes.
Okay.
Stimuli is the, what do you say? It's the change, some environment change due to which she is reacting, right? There's some changes in body part, right? That is her eye. She's closing her eye. So here stimulus is light, right? Okay, got it?
Yes, ma'am. Now.
Now, what about this one? He's running away from the dog. Yes, stimuli.
No, ma'am, it is not stimuli.
Okay. What is that?
Yes, it is because he's getting scared. My
Ma'am, pain.
Pain.
no, it didn't. The dog didn't bite him.
Yeah, dog didn't bite.
Ma'am, he's trying to
No
prevent.
touching.
Ma'am, he's trying to prevent the dog from biting him.
Here, here there is another type of response. Okay. Here the response is by nervous system. What is that? Endocrine gland. Okay. Endocrine gland. Okay. Hormone. When this guy sees the dog, what will happen? There is adrenal gland. Okay. That is endocrine gland. And it secretes hormone. Adrenal gland. Okay. What will happen? Due to this hormone, this hormone is called emergency hormone. It will be secreted in the bloodstream. So this is the response of this guy, okay, running away. This emergency hormones, it makes the person either to fight or flight. Okay, that is run away or fight. Okay, this is the where you will learn later. So there is two kind of response. Okay, one is by stimuli, right, by the nervous system. Okay, the other one is by the endocrine gland. Those two combine to make our control and coordination as what perfect. Okay, make us respond. Okay, now here mostly now we are talking about which one? This stimuli one. Okay, the nervous system. Now let's see this figure. What do you see in this figure?
I'm in this. I'm in the guy, ma'am. Ma'am, it is in the picture, ma'am. The senses are marked.
Yes, sense organs are marked.
Yes, certainly.
Through this only stimuli are taken. Okay.
Produced, ma'am.
Yes. Here we have what? Receptors. They all are what? Stimuli, sensitive to the stimulus. Okay. So here eye, nose, tongue, ear, then skin, all these are sensitive to what? Stimulus. And here in the ears and eye, nose, all the sense organs, we have receptors. What do we have? Receptors. Okay. Now, so photoreceptors, they are found in the ears. No, sorry. Light. It is light, right? Eye. It is found in the eye. Light. Okay. It responds to the stimuli. Which stimuli? Light. And phonoreceptor, it is found in the ear and it responds to the sound. It receives sound stimuli. Then olfactory, smell. Where could it be found? Nose. Then this gustatory receptors.
Ma'am, tongue.
Yes, correct. Thermoreceptors. Skin. Yes, skin. So these all receptors, right? They will receive the electrical signal, right? The signals, and they will convert this energy into what? Electrical signal. Okay, and they will set off this chemical reaction. This chemical reaction, what will happen after this? It will go to the neuron, nerve cell. These signals will be received by the nerve cell. Is my voice repeating? I think so. Okay, nerve cells. And from there, the next nerve cell. What's nerve cell means? What? Neuron. To the next neuron. To the next, till it reaches the brain or spinal cord. And from there, what will happen? The brain and spinal cord, it will give the information. It will give what to do. According to that, what will happen? The brain will give instruction what to do. Then again, from neuron back to the what is motor neuron? Muscles. Okay, muscles. The from brain or what do we tell? Spinal. Now, from the nerves, then back to the muscles. The muscles, they respond. Our hand moves, right? This is how it happens. Now let's see. Can you understand this? The receptors, what they will do? Receive stimuli from the environment, right? What is the stimuli? Light, sound, heat, cold, right? Taste. All those things are stimuli. And receptors receives them. Okay. Then they are, what will happen here? After receiving it, what will happen?
It will send it to the brain.
Yeah, it will send. Wait 1 minute. Here we have nerves. This is the nerve cell or neuron. Okay, here all we have nerve cells, and it is structural and functional unit of nervous system. Okay, what do we have here? We have here, this is the cell body, this is the axon, and this is the dendrites. The signal will be received by the receptors. Okay, and it will travel to the dendrites. This from dendrite to the cell body, then to the axon, then to the next neuron. Okay, next neuron, from there to the brain or spinal cord, and then again the brain and spinal cord will give instruction. Again it will go to the neuron, from there to the muscles. Okay, respond. This is the cycle. Now you see here, this is the axon of neuron. Okay, from the receptors the electrical impulse will come, right? It will come like this. Then here the ending of the axon is there, right? This is the ending of the axon. Okay, now here it will travel this, then the chemical substance it will form, chemical substance. Okay, that is called what? Neurotransmitter. Okay. Then this chemical substance will be released. Then this chemical substance will go to the next neuron, dendrite of the next neuron. Then again this electrical impulses will go to the axon, right? The same thing, and it will form this chemical pouches inside which neurotransmitter will be there. Okay, like this will be continuing till it reaches the spinal cord or brain. This gap between two neurons, it is called synapse or synaptic gap. Okay, now this synapse, right, it is only this is the one way. The signal will not go back like this. It will be going in the one way only. Okay. This synapse will act as one way valve. Okay, one way door.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show the structure of neuron once more?
Neuron system.
Yes. Ma'am, what is that? Ma'am, that for insulation and protection, ma'am, what it is?
Myelin sheath.
And what does it do?
For insulation and protection. That means other signals and all cannot come. It will be, this will protect the signals.
Okay, ma'am.
No reaction will happen. That's why it is saying insulation.
Okay, ma'am.
In this is the cell body. We have what? Cytoplasm.
Ma'am, I'm familiar with this. It's okay.
This is the nucleus. Dendrite. What is the work of dendrite? It will receive signal, right?
What does it do?
It will receive the signal.
Okay.
Okay. And what is the work of axon?
Ma'am, I don't know. Can you tell? Ma'am, it will take the signal.
Yes.
Okay.
We have three kinds of neurons. Let's see. Three kinds of neuron. What are those? We have sensory neuron. Then we have motor neuron. Then we have relay neuron. The sensory neuron, what it will do? It will take up the signals, impulses from
Ma'am,
where?
what you are writing over there? What is, ma'am? Can you use a clear color for this? Like white or blue? Very different.
Sensory neuron. Then we have motor neuron. And lastly, we have relay neuron. This sensory neuron, what it will do? It will take up the signal impulses from where? From the receptors to the where? CNS. That is brain and spinal cord. Motor neuron.
CNS.
CNS, yes, central nervous system, brain and spinal cord. Then this motor neuron from the CNS that is from brain and spinal cord to the muscle cell. This motor neuron links sensory and motor neuron. Got it? We have three types of neurons: sensory neuron, motor neuron, and relay neuron. From your side, I think.
Now is it coming up?
No, now it is fine. So our nervous system, what does it consist of? We have talked about already. What is that? Brain. Then,
Spinal cord.
then,
Nerves.
yes, nerves. Where is brain located? In our head. Spinal cord,
Ma'am, and our back.
backbone. And the nerves?
Ma'am, throughout the body.
Yes, throughout. There are two types of nerves, okay? Cranial nerves and spinal nerve. Cranial nerve, it will connect all the body parts,
What, ma'am?
connect all the parts in the head directly to brain. Spinal nerves connect all the remaining parts of the body to spinal cord. Now, you see, this cranial nerves will connect all the parts in the head directly to the brain. Right? Brain will be connected by the cranial nerves. The spinal nerves, all the body parts, remaining body parts. What is that? Like muscles, skin, shoulder, all that parts will be connected to the spinal cord. And there is one more nerve, visceral. It will connect internal organs, body to spinal cord, and also they will connect to the brain also. Sometimes to the brain, some connect to the brain. So these are the three types of nerves: cranial nerves, spinal nerve, and visceral nerves.
Ma'am, your voice is echoing.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, now okay.
So what was I telling? Cranial nerves.
Ma'am, again there is a echo, ma'am.
Why it is echoing?
Ma'am, for me it's not echoing.
For you, it is not echoing. Then Shahzan, I think from your side, net connection.
No, ma'am, mine is stable, very stable.
Hello.
Still I reach, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hello.
yes, ma'am, now it's perfect.
So we have three types of nerves: cranial nerves, spinal nerves, and visceral nerves. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This, how does our sense organ work? Our nervous system works. Sorry, nervous system works. So whenever our body is affected, right? How will it be affected? Our sense organ, like the eye, ear, tongue, nose, is affected. That time, what will happen? Right? Message will be sent to the brain in the form of what? Nerve impulse, or you can say electrical impulse. Through which neuron? Through sensory neuron. Then this brain, what will it do? It will analyze and will decide that action. Okay, what should do, what it should do. Okay, then the brain, it will send out instruction to the muscle. How it will send? Through the motor neuron. Then the body part, whatever body part is concerned, that will react. So in the complicated responses, right, both the brain and spinal cord will be involved. When simple responses, for that only spinal cord is enough. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I want you to explain once again. Can you,
Which
ma'am, this one, how nervous system works?
How nervous system works.
Yes.
First thing, our body organs, okay, sense organ, not body, sense organ.
Okay.
Those things have receptors in them. Any changes, okay, the receptors will receive. They're sensitive to the changes. Receptors will receive
Okay.
that signal, and what will happen then?
Ma'am, it will send it to the. Ma'am, I'm forgetting the term, ma'am. It was
It will
what was it?
send it to the brain. How it will send? It will send through sensory neuron.
Okay.
Okay, and from there it will reach to the brain. What will happen? The brain will analyze what to do, what to not do, like that. And depending on the situation, like okay, I'll give you example. You are going to school, okay. Then when you wake up, first thing when you wake up, what will you see? You will see time. Okay. Now this time you'll see, then you'll see only 5 minutes are there. Okay, or else you will be late. The brain will receive this instruction.
Okay.
And what it will do, it will say, let's take bike because 5 minutes walking won't do. I'll not reach school, so I'll take bike. I'll tell bike because you are kid. Then you will tell your dad or someone to leave you to the school. Okay, so like this you will reach school and you won't be late. So the brain, what it will do, like this only, it will receives the impulses. The stimuli. Sorry, stimuli. And what will happen? No, sorry, impulses, and it will analyze. Then it will send out the instruction what to do, what to not do, according to the parts which is concerned. Okay, whichever part should respond. Okay, that time it will respond. It will respond through the motor neuron. This instruction will, the brain will give instruction to the motor neuron. Okay, the muscles. Okay, this thinking capacity, this complicated situation, brain and spinal cord both will be involved. But in the case of simple thing, right, like that touching of the hot, and that time only spinal cord will be involved. Okay, got it, Shazan?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, wait, now time over, right? So in the next class, please do PPT presentation, okay? Tuesday. And tomorrow, don't forget to study for test. And all the best for both of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
See you tomorrow.